Good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today it is career day at nursery and I've just dressed Elisa up. She wants to be normally she says she wants to be a ballerina doctor, but today she just wants to be a ballerina. So this is the best that I could do, okay? Come on. Do you want to show us your outfit? This is what her outfit is. It is ballerina tutu costume thing. She's got some boots on because we don't have any ballerina shoes. And then her hair, I did like a bun. It's cute. I like it. It's very cute. Show your ballerina moves. Wow. Not used to doing it with shoes on, are you? Go on, do a spin.
This is how a ballerina.
So funny. We're still quite early for nursery, so I thought I'd start the vlog now and also tell you what I did yesterday. So yesterday I didn't vlog, but I did sort out this atrocious mess that you call an under the stairs cupboard, right? So ignore this blanket, it's just drying. Are you ready? So this was literally overflowing. I might insert a video of how bad it was, but it is so much better. Like, you can actually walk inside here now because there's nothing on the floor apart from the blocks. There's just storage stuff in storage. This is a bag full of bags, and then this is just random stuff that I need to sort out. Yes, there's your school bag.
And there's your bag?
Yeah, there's actually space to hang things so it doesn't need to get dumped on the sofa. And then all of the coats and stuff here, but there's actually space to walk in here now. All of the lamps, yeah, the lampshade. But yeah, it just looks so much better now. But yeah, I'm just going to take Elisa to nursery. Probably leave right now because then we can find parking. But yeah, that is what's going on. I will speak to you in a bit. So I'm at home now, and as I was walking in, I dropped some wet wipes out of the car that I used to clean Isa's face or something, and I was like, oh, what can I clean with this? Does anyone else do that? Because I do. And then I saw like the double glazing, the door. I gave it a quick wipe across here a little bit, but oh my god, it's disgusting. Like, there's crumbs everywhere. So I'm going to attempt to clean this using some elbow grease. I heard that elbow grease is best to clean like double glazing. Why is it spraying so bad? I'm also going to do it all down at the edges as well. And on the main door too, but I need to close the door a little bit for that. But let's just clean all of this off. Now I've just come outside my house. Please don't judge me, okay? This is the corner of my windowsill going all the way around. It's not too bad because the rain hit it the other day. Normally the rain doesn't hit this part because it's under shelter. But I'm just going to give it a good clean. Ooh. Wait a second, let me spray first.
Oh, look at that.
That's so gross. me and Elisa are gonna make some biscuits. Are you excited?
Mommy, I want to hold this in my hand.
We've got this biscuit thing from
Mommy.
Asda, and we're gonna
Mommy,
make them.
is this a flower?
Yeah?
I want it to be a butterfly.
It's not a butterfly though.
Can we change it?
How can we change it?
Nothing.
Nothing.
We're
Okay.
joking.
Only joking. Here you go. So
I
this
want
is the mold. Now what does it say on here? So it says rip and tip. Where are we going, Elisa?
Mine at school.
Gonna go pick a Manny up from school, and then we're gonna come back and decorate the
Cookies.
yeah. So